You can see all the workouts in this course on Amazon and wellnessplus.tv. Hi, it's Hannah from Vegana Hannah. Today we have a 10-minute HIIT training workout for beautiful sculpted arms. Strengthening your arms is going to be essential for the other courses I have for total body transformation. So all you need is a nice comfortable floor or a yoga mat. I have the interval timer, and maybe you could grab some water. And let's get started. Alright, so the setup for this is 30 seconds of work, 30 seconds of rest. For your first movement, we're going to do a dive bomber push-up. You can start from your knees, scoop down and up, and scoop back. Alright, get ready in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Scoop down, push through the palms, and really feel the whole length of the pec muscle working. And if that's easy for you, you can go ahead and go on your toes. Back, scoop, even more range of motion. Definitely challenging. There you go, keep pushing. One more, and down. So now you can rest. 25 seconds. You can stretch as well. Loosen up the muscle while you're recovering. You really want to recover for HIIT training as much as you can so that you can really push to your full effort when you are working. So get ready. Round 2, 5 seconds, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Again, drop the knees, especially on the way back if you need to really get the full range of motion, really work all the chest muscles, and it also strengthens your back. Almost done. Keep it up. And then we go into our next movement. One more. Good. Next we have a tricep push-up. So bring the hands in a little bit closer under the shoulders. You're gonna keep those elbows right next to the body as you lower down and up. Okay, another option, come up on your toes. Lower down, nice and controlled. Come all the way up. A lot more challenging. Get ready, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in and out. Don't forget to breathe. Very important. Breathe in, out. Keep up that momentum. If it's too challenging, do a little bit less range of motion. You don't have to go all the way down if you're still building that strength. But do as much as you can because these are short bursts of high intensity. One more. And rest. Woo, my heart rate's up. I don't know about you. But remember, really push until the end of that clock. Even when you hear the 3 seconds, try to get as many reps in as you can. Alrighty, about 10 more seconds. Get ready. 7, almost there. And let's go. See how many you can do. There you go. If you need to, drop the knees. Try to get all the way down, all the way up. Push through the bottom of the hands. That way you really get those triceps. Squeeze at the top. Almost done. 3, 2, 1. Good work. Halfway. Next we have bridges. So, hands behind you. You're gonna lift the hips, come down, and come up. Squeeze. This also works your core. So you have about 10 seconds. We're gonna work on that shoulder stability as well and help sculpt the deltoids. Get ready in 3, 2, 1. Up and breathe out. In and out. Squeeze the shoulders through each repetition. There you go. Only 30 seconds of work. That's all you have to do. 10 seconds. Keep it up and down. Push through the palms, breathe in. One more, and down. One thing you can also do on the last repetition, you can hold it and squeeze and really get a good muscle burn from that. All right, about halfway through our rest. One more time for this movement. And then we have a really cool one to finish off. Okay, get ready. Big deep breaths. Fully recover. 3, 2, and 1. Lift high, come down. Squeeze the shoulders. Think about pinching those shoulder blades back. You can get some upper back work in there too. Down, up, halfway. Keep pushing. Can you make it even harder? Maybe don't lower that butt to the ground. That'll definitely increase the burn. 3, 2, 1, rest. Almost there. 2 more rounds. You're so close. Another thing you can do to challenge yourself is hold that movement and squeeze the muscles for the last 3 to 5 seconds and really get a good muscle burn. All right, last 2 movements, we have some hip dips. So, one leg down, you're gonna reach the hips up and down, push through the arms. This sets us up for more complex things in the future. And start. So push through the arm here. Push. And really raise those hips with the arm and the bicep. And really work the shoulder. Up, down. Squeeze. You can also feel your quad working here and your core. Past the halfway point, keep pushing. As many reps as you can. This is high intensity here. 3, 2, 1, squeeze. Good job. Last movement, last time. Give it all you've got. This movement sets you up for a Turkish get-up, which I'll be going over in my total body HIIT training cardio workout, which I hope you join me for. Get ready, 10 seconds. Deep breath. Remember, push through the arm. Get ready. 3, 2, 1. Reach. Push through that elbow. Sculpting that arm. This is a great total body workout. Halfway. Can we add the intensity? Maybe go up on your toes. Squeeze a little bit more. Go a little faster. 5, 3, 2, 1, squeeze. And that's it. So thank you for working out with me today. You did a great job. I hope you'll join me for the rest of my workouts in my Bikini body sculpting program. And make sure to look at the links in the description for more information. Competing as a natural bodybuilder has challenged me to learn the best moves for sculpting and shaping the entire body. Adding in the HIIT training component keeps you burning fat for 24 to 36 hours after your workout so you can see results fast. Woo! I'm burning, I don't know about you. These are the moves that helped me win natural bodybuilding competitions, and now I'm teaching these moves to you. My course is available on Amazon and wellnessplus.tv at the links in the video description below.